Again, most welcome to again my YouTube channel. Like the latest quiz available now, close-up quiz. So please be carefully watching this video, and if have any new version available this quiz, so please you will comment me on my inbox, so I will find for you every one version quiz answer. So please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So let's start this video. Right now, answer Japan. Leonardo da Vinci. Blueberry. Sunflower. Skeleton Levis. Hand extra. France. Brazil. White, orange, red, green. So this is the red. Stock market. French. The battles. Shrimp. Mountain. Durian. Same this like right now, okay? First answer, they are the oldest multi-organ organism. Music. Hot spring. Fourth option, green white, blue white, red white, only orange white. So blue white, right answer. this this right answer. Okay, so I will click him. So be carefully watching this spelling and you don't tell me again like this I'm not understand. So please watch him, and this is the right answer. Fibonacci sequence. Submit. So you will see like be 100 percentage right score. So please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So thank you for watching video, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel because I will so help you. So thank you for watching this video, and thank you so much.